The Witch's Ball, written by Ries, illustrated by Tracy Guzman. One bat landed on Millie's head. "Come to the witch's ball," he said. "Doors close at 12. Be sure you're there." "Oh," cried Millie, "what will I wear?" Two mice scurried across the room as Millie grabbed her trusty broom. Then off she flew to Gowns for Ghouls to find the perfect dress and jewels. Three giggling ghosts who ran the store said, "Here's a gown that you'll adore." The dress was pale and ghastly white. "This gown won't do, not for tonight." Four dangling spiders called from above, "We'll make a gown we know you'll love." They slowly spun and wove a dress. The long wait caused poor Millie stress. Five hooting owls awake at night watched Millie as she made her flight back home to comb her stringy locks and slip into her snakeskin socks. Six ancient rings adorned her hands with creepy bugs placed on the bands. When Millie tried her violet shoes, the lace tore loose and Millie stewed. Seven pointy hats piled up high made Millie stand below and sigh. The broomstick swished this way and that till Millie found her favorite hat. 8 old bottles sat on a shelf. With perfume Millie made herself. She chose the one that reeked and glowed, but it was out of breath of toad. 9 creaky bells began to chime, and Millie cried, "It's almost time!" But much to her surprise, her broom would not fly up and leave the room. Ten helpful cats began to claw at Scarecrow, who was made of straw. The broom, repaired once and for all, rose up and flew straight to the ball. 11 wolves howled at the moon. "I won't be late, I'll be there soon." Beyond the clouds the castle loomed, and from inside the music boomed. Then at the door she gave a knock, and suddenly she heard the clock. "Yippee," she said, "am I in luck?" For at that time the great clock struck 12.